7 best folding knife under $150. Looking for a high-performance blade that won't break the bank? Finding the sweet spot between budget and premium can be tricky, but today we've done the legwork for you. We're counting down the 7 best folding knives you can snag right now for under $150. Let's see which one deserves a spot in your pocket. On number 7 is Spyderco. The Spyderco Tenacious remains a heavyweight contender in the EDC world, offering an accessible entry point into the brand's legendary performance. This specific model features a 3.3-inch black-coated blade paired with a high-traction FRN handle, providing a lightweight yet rugged feel for everything from survival tasks to daily utility. Its iconic thumb hole allows for rapid, one-handed deployment, making it a reliable choice for hikers, hunters, and tactical users alike. If you are looking for a proven workhorse that balances high-end ergonomics with a budget-friendly price tag, this is a must-have for your collection. On number 6 is Klaken. The Klaken folding knife brings a modern, tactical edge to the sub-$150 market with its impressive 3.54-inch D2 steel blade. Designed for everything from heavy-duty survival tasks to everyday utility, its high-wear resistance is perfectly balanced by a rugged G10 handle for a secure, slip-free grip. The smooth flipper deployment makes one-handed operation a breeze, ensuring you're ready for any camping or hiking challenge at a moment's notice. It's a versatile and affordable workhorse that proves you don't need to spend a fortune to get a reliable blade in your pocket. On number 5 is Kexmo. The Kexmo wood-handled folding knife combines a classic aesthetic with modern emergency features, making it a standout multi-tool for the value-conscious explorer. Its 3.46-inch black stainless steel blade is designed for durability and sharp cutting performance, while the ergonomic rosewood handle provides a comfortable, slip-resistant grip. Beyond standard cutting tasks, this model includes a built-in glass breaker and a secure pocket clip, offering peace of mind for survival or roadside emergency scenarios. Whether you're fishing, camping, or looking for a reliable everyday carry, this large-profile folder delivers heavy-duty utility with a touch of traditional style. On number 4 is Civivai. The Civivai Praxis C803H stands out as a sophisticated workhorse that punches far above its price point with a massive 3.75-inch black stonewashed blade. The ergonomic handle is crafted from exotic Quebersha wood, providing a warm, natural feel that pairs beautifully with the tactical performance of the 9CR18 MOV stainless steel. Thanks to a caged ceramic ball-bearing pivot, the flipper action is incredibly smooth and snappy, ensuring the blade deploys instantly whenever you need it. It's an ideal choice for anyone who wants a full-sized everyday carry that balances elegant aesthetics with the heavy-duty reliability required for outdoor use. On number 3 is Nedfoss. The Nedfoss Beast truly lives up to its name with a massive 4-inch D2 steel blade designed for those who need maximum cutting power in the field. This heavy-duty folder combines incredible edge retention with a rugged G10 handle, ensuring a rock-solid grip even in the most demanding hiking or camping conditions. Its reliable safety liner lock and smooth deployment make it a formidable tactical tool that doesn't compromise on user safety or speed. If you're looking for a full-sized survival knife that can handle the toughest outdoor chores without flinching, the Beast is a top-tier contender for your gear bag. On number 2 is SOG. The SOG Terminus XR G10 is a masterclass in ambidextrous design, featuring the innovative XR lock that provides smooth, one-handed deployment via thumb stud, flipper, or the lock itself. Its 2.95-inch D2 steel blade is cryogenically heat-treated for superior edge retention and toughness, making it a rugged companion for demanding daily tasks. The textured G10 handle offers a secure, slip-resistant grip while keeping the overall weight at a pocket-friendly 3.2 ounces. With its reversible deep carry clip and rock-solid lockup capable of withstanding significant force, the Terminus XR is a versatile and reliable choice for any EDC enthusiast. On number 1 is Grandway. The Grandway 6495 stands out as a versatile, budget-friendly multi-tool that prioritizes safety and emergency preparedness alongside everyday utility. Crafted from 440C stainless steel, its 3.15-inch blade offers a solid balance of corrosion resistance and edge retention, making it a reliable companion for camping, fishing, or tactical use. The sleek gray metal handle is not only durable but also houses a built-in glass breaker, an essential feature for survival situations and vehicle emergencies. Its user-friendly design includes a secure liner lock and a removable pocket clip, allowing you to customize your carry style based on your specific needs. Whether you're a cyclist looking for a multifunction tool or an outdoor enthusiast needing a rugged folder, this knife provides high-performance features at an incredible value. It serves as a perfect gift for those who value practicality and preparedness in their gear rotation, ensuring you're ready for whatever the trail or the road throws your way. That wraps up our top picks for the best value folders on the market. If any of these caught your eye, check out the links in the description for the best current pricing. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more gear reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.